Hey guys, so we're on the inside now. As you can see, I want to keep some of the main character of the home, but a lot of it is gut out, and you'll see where the old house stops and the new house begins. But I wanted to stress the importance of keeping these posts, and we'll go around here. Got some workers coming downstairs. So you can see the old framing. This is where the old home pretty much stops right here. And all this is addition. This room is this house is gonna be 16 beds total, 12 bedrooms total, so a few of the rooms are gonna be shared. So, each room is gonna have a bathroom, and we wanted to keep the fireplace here intact. We have a nice sitting area here on this level, and we have a whole upstairs as well. So we got guys up here working, so I'll have to do a video on that next time. But we have several bedrooms down here, 5 bedrooms down here all together. It's gonna be a kitchen in the rear. We have an elevator shaft going in this location. So we'll have an elevator here. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice when we finish up. It's similar to another project I did not far from here. So again, like I said in the last video, I wouldn't suggest this for my beginners, but if you wanted to hire me on to help you through the process, that's great. I do consulting. I also have a course you guys should check out, kind of go through this, like even the financing portion of this. I'm actually gonna be doing a video shortly, maybe later this week, with the guy, the bank who actually financed this loan. We're gonna do a round table with him, just discuss like different projects, because this bank I work with on this project, they only specialize in licensing assisted living. So subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I have a course that kind of goes over this. I have a community we just launched where you can actually join, and we can have discussions, and we can talk to other professionals. And it's just a good resource to have if you're new to the business, or if you've been in the business for a while, just fresh and new ideas. So again, I'll try to do another video next week, keep you guys active of the upstairs, and I'll probably share the blueprints with you guys if I can, and we'll just go from there. Thanks guys, like and subscribe.